Hi, this is James from Square Internet, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can check whether or not Google Analytics has been installed correctly on your website. Now, you may or may not know this, but for Google Analytics to work correctly, you need to make sure that the Google Analytics script provided to you in your dashboard has been inserted somewhere on your website. In the next video I'm going to show you how you can actually install this script and give you a step-by-step on how to do this for WordPress. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how you can check whether or not it's installed on your existing website. So how do you do this? Again, it's fairly simple and straightforward. All that you need to do is hover your mouse over any part of the screen here and then right click. So we've now been presented with a little sub-menu, and the option that we want to select is View Page Source. What we're seeing now is the code of the website on the back end of the website. So what we need to do is search through all of this code and see if we can find any trace of Google Analytics or the Google Analytics code. And a really simple and easy way to do this is to hold down Control F on Windows, which will pop up a search box. And I believe on Mac it's Command F. Although don't shoot me, I'm not actually a Mac user. But you'll need to pop up your search box. All that we're going to do now is type in Google into this search box, first of all, and see if we return any matches. So as we can see, it's not returning any matches, which it shouldn't be, because I haven't installed Google Analytics on this website yet. I'll be doing that in the next video. Just to show you that this is actually working, this development domain is running on Beans WordPress framework. So if I type in Beans, I should see several results. So yeah. As you can see, I'm just cycling through these results to show you that the search function works. And over here in my analytics panel, I've actually got my tracking ID. So even easier, if you have access to your Google Analytics admin dashboard, you can just copy and paste your tracking ID, come back to the source code of your website and pop this in the search box. And if you're not seeing this code anywhere, it can mean one of two things: either that your Google Analytics tracking code hasn't been installed correctly, or it's been configured in some other method. But typically this is an easy way of figuring out whether or not it's been correctly installed. Hopefully you found this video of some use. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave me a comment on the video. If you've got any specific WordPress, WooCommerce, Visual Composer or general marketing queries, feel free to drop me an email at hello@squareinternet.co, and if it's something I can help you with, I'll be in touch with you ASAP. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.